Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adebola. If this is the first time you are coming across my video, you also want to give me a thumbs up, do well to like, do well to subscribe, yes, so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be among the first set of people that will get the notification that I just uploaded a new video, right? And if you are an old subscriber, if this is not the first time you're coming across my video, once again, you're welcome. Okay, so today we are going to be learning how to design this beautiful Happy New Month November flyer design, right? You can use it for your brand, you can use it for yourself, you can use it for your church, whatever it is, you can use it for it. Okay, so if you are new to Canva, if you've never operated Canva before, all you just have to do is go to your Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device you're making use of. Search for Canva, download the application, install it on your smartphone. Log in if you already have a Canva account, or create a new account if you don't have one. It's absolutely free, right? And if you don't want to make use of the application, like I just said, you can always make use of the website like I'm using presently. Just go on your browser and search for canva.com, right? Same thing, create an account if you don't have one, or log into your account if you already have one, right? So let's get started with this design for today. Okay, and by the way, also I'm going to be providing us with every single resource that was made use in this video. That's the image, the background image, the model, the flare light, everything is going to be provided in the description below. So let's get started with it. So the first thing we want to use or we want to add is our background, right? So we click on it, we click on replace, we come to photos, and here is our background here. I'm also going to be showing us the name of the background, name of the image, right? So it's called orange and yellow color illustration, right? So you can just search for it if you want to on Canva, right? And also the next thing we're going to be doing is adding our text. So click on text and we add in November. We're going to be changing the font. This is the name of the font here. You can take note of it. Color, change it to white, and also use format to change it to all capital letter. Okay, so we want to take note of the font. Okay, the font size, sorry, so which is 858. So we click here and we come here 858. Okay, so we already have that like this. Okay, so next thing we notice is that the spacing in between this line is way different from this. So we want to check for the spacing. The spacing is 0.85. 0.85. So let's just reduce it. 0.85. You can actually just type it in if you want. So 0.85, we already have it there. So bring it to the center. Next we need to write in a happy new month with another font, right? So add the text again, happy new month. So of course, if you want to learn more about Canva, you want to master your skill in Canva designing, you can always reach out to me for that. I do have a self-paced course on Canva designing, master your Canva. It's not free basically, it's just for a token. You can just reach out to me on WhatsApp for that. Okay, so we want to know the fonts, name of the fonts, and also the size. So okay, we know the name of the font. The size is 344. 344. 344. Okay, and also the font, we are reducing the font to this. I really hope you can see the name of the font. You can just zoom in your screen. I think it's spelled FLATION or thereabouts. It's a free font, by the way, so you should find it on your Canva. So next thing we want to add is our model, right? The model was gotten, I downloaded the model myself, so I will just have to upload that. Okay, so I'm just going to enlarge it. Of course, you will notice now that the model has a green background, of which we are going to remove that. I'm using Canva Pro, so I can remove it straight from Canva. But if you're not using Canva Pro, you can make use of remove.bg on your browser, or you can make use of Canva Pro. If you need access to Canva Pro, you can always reach out to me for that. Okay, if you take notes again, you see that the image is behind our text November, which we don't want that, right? We need our image to be above it. So you click on the image and we scroll here to position, right, and bring it to the front, right? So just bring it to the front that way. Okay, so that's just it. So we just want to bring it here, make sure it's properly at the center also. Okay, just reduce this a little bit. Okay, yeah, so make sure it's properly at the center. So that's that for that. Next we need to add in our contact detail. We need to add in this shape. So just click on element and you click on shapes, right? Just regular shape. And of course we want to change the color. Well, how we're going to change the color, we have to go and copy the color code of which I'm going to be showing us. So let's check here and copy the color code. So let's copy the color code. Copy. So it's 4B0503, right? So let's come here to edit the color code. Okay. All right, so we are moving. Next thing we want to add is contact details. Like I said, it's a fictional design. I don't know any brand that's behind fashion wears. I'm sure there should be a brand behind that, but I didn't have that. I didn't have them in mind when creating this. So just a random name, right? Okay, so we want to add in our elements. Okay, so we just want to add in this little one here. Just put it in here, and also we need to add in for the core, right? Okay, so make sure it's the same size. Change the color to white, and also we need text. We need a text. We need our text, which we are going to be fashion wears, right? Okay, and also we need to adjust the size. Definitely we don't want it as bold, which it came out as. We need to adjust the size to 17. I hope you're taking notes of the numbers, the size and everything. So I want to reduce this. I don't think I want it to be that big. I just want to I don't want it to be too big. So fashion wears, we already have fashion wears here. Okay, so next I want to have our contact, our phone number, which is just a random one again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So of course, if you are replicating this design, you should put your own phone number, your contact details there. So I'm going to put in spacing here, space here, and also a space here. Right, okay, so that's perfect. So I want to make sure they are all at the center, so I'm going to be grouping them all and bringing them all at the center. Right, perfect. So next I want, if you look at it, there are a little bit of frames here, flay, right? I'm going to just click on elements, and this is it here, and of course I want us to know the name of this flay. So go to information, this is it, this is the name of this flay here. So I'm going to increase it, just increase the size. I just put it on left and right side of it basically. I'm going to reduce the transparency, yeah, to 74, and I'm also going to duplicate it, yeah, to this side. Just duplicate it there. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this duplicating this design, right? That's all I did to come across this beautiful flyer design, happy new month flyer design on Canva. Like I said, if you want to know more about designing, you want to master your skill in graphic designing on Canva, do well to reach out to me on WhatsApp. My link, the WhatsApp link, will be in the description. Do it to reach out to me. If you want Canva Pro, do it to reach out to me. Okay, so and of course I would want to see what you come up with when you are done replicating this design. I want to see what you come up with. I want to see your beautiful creativity. I want to see how you come up with it on my WhatsApp, right? Okay, so bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye.